development as well this time around, and that's what is coming up next. We'll stay with matters of the law because earlier today, the Ashanti Regional Chair of the New Patriotic Party, Bernard Entry Boisiako, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, will have his day in court tomorrow as the state is expected to prefer charges related to illegal mining against him. Now, we'll tell you the backstory and how it all unfolded earlier today. But earlier today, my colleague and our legal affairs correspondent, Lord Edward Sari, was in court earlier today. Mining-related charges is what we suspect are expected to be preferred against Ashanti Regional Chair of the New Patriotic Party, Bernard Entry Boisiako, also known as Chairman Wontumi, expected to appear in court, all things being in court tomorrow, October 7. Chairman Wontumi was granted bail in the sum of 1 million cedis, with 2 sureties following his appearance before the Criminal Investigations Department of Ghana Police Service. The CID has been very busy today. He was admitted as well to the police inquiry bail. First, let's hear what the Attorney General said last Friday during the President's engagement with the civil society on illegal mining, on what was going to be happening today and beyond. Take a look.
The police conducted very diligent investigations in respect of Akonta mining, but the docket was hidden until we came to power. In fact, when we came to power and I started the investigation with the Minerals and, the Lands and Natural Resources Minister and the Forestry Commission, we were finding it difficult to get information. Subsequently, the police themselves owned up and presented the docket to my office 2 months ago. So as we speak, the charges against Chairman Wontumi, Akonta Mining, and 5 others have been signed as I speak. Currently, we are waiting for him to be read his right to remain silent, etc. Before we've asked that he should be brought from, Kumasi. His lawyers asked that he should be brought on Tuesday. But I'm insisting that he should be here on Monday. If he doesn't come on Monday, I'm going to order for his arrest so that he'll be brought to Accra. His rights will be read to him, and then we can start the prosecution. We have also put in place certain measures to ensure that the prosecution goes faster than normal. We have approached the Chief Justice, who has agreed to assign specialized courts for the prosecution of illegal mining cases. And I have laid before Cabinet, on Tuesday, Cabinet will meet and approve the public tribunal's bill.
Well, so the second part of the Attorney General's statement, which you just heard, is going to be an issue we'll delve into, but clearly indicating Chairman Wontumi's invitation and appearance today, which indeed happened. But Chairman Wontumi was at the Criminal Investigation Department, Ghana Police Service office earlier today. But lawyer for Chairman Wontumi, Andy Apiakubi, did not seem happy about the AG's comments, what I just played to you. And he explained why, in his view, he was not too happy about the AG's position on this. Take a look. And while we recall that and hear from Andy Apiakubi, and also indicating that they have not, as Chairman Wontumi has not been charged yet, and tomorrow they would know exactly which charges the state is preferring against his client, and they've responded to all the issues that came up earlier today before the CID, and they're expected to have their day in court tomorrow. But Dennis Poberwadam is with me. We'll hear from Andy Apiakubi shortly. He spoke to the media, but here's what we do know about Chairman Wontumi's matters. He's been admitted to the police inquiry bail, some of 1 million cedis.
1 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties that he has met, so we don't have issues of him being in custody. And yes, even though we do not know the specific charges, following from the background, this is not the first time he's been to the CID. They've been on this investigation for some time, and in his caution statement, they did indicate that he was being investigated for offenses related to mining. So we can reasonably infer that whatever charges are going to be preferred to him against him tomorrow are going to be in respect of illegal mining and those in that particular space. But we do also know that it's not only the CID that's dealing with Chairman Wontumi. We also know that he has some running battle too with EOCO.
Yeah, true.
And that is in respect of matters that were informed by the Deputy Attorney General, that these are matters that have to do, in fact, he describes them as various criminal offenses, which include fraud, causing financial loss to the state, and money laundering. In respect of this, we know he's on bail. That bail is 50 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties that were justified. It was this particular matter that kept him in custody for some time. But for tomorrow, he will take his day in court. His charges will be read to him, and he will plead to those. And that's when we get to know the exact details. And of course, with the facts on which the police or the state is going to prosecute those offenses relating to illegal mining, as we are being told. So that's basically about it in respect of Chairman Wontumi. We all look forward to tomorrow at the High Court.
And in fact, it's important that we distinguish between the two issues at play right now, because what is happening with him appearing before the CID earlier today is different from what got him to spend a few nights
precisely
in the EOCO cells or the coolers of EOCO.
That matter is still cooking.
It's cooking.
Yes, because we are told that he's been investigated. It was only after investigation they will prepare the docket and prepare the charges against him. So at this point, it's still a matter which is still cooking. It's not one that we can say that they are going to prefer charges against him. But of course, just like we were told in the previous instance that he was being investigated for matters relating to illegal mining, this one too, if it comes to fruition, it means that the matters that will, or the offenses that will be preferred against him will be along the lines of fraud, causing financial loss to the state, and money laundering. But yes, that's a matter for another day. Tomorrow is basically on matters that have to do with illegal mining. So, Alfred, that's basically what is happening in respect of Chairman Wontumi.
But